Good afternoon YouTubers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, Ian B 1975 ST. Today I've got a little treat for you. It's the replacement of my Honda CBR 600 F4, and what I've replaced it with is an Honda VFR 800 Fi Gen 5. So this is the beast guys, Honda VFR 800 Fi Gen 5. This is one of the first ones. It's the 1998 model, this one. This has got 114,000 kilometres on it, but the last owner has looked after it pretty well. Really happy with this bike. I had one before, the blue one as you saw in my videos before, and this one is a nice bike as well. A few little alterations that it's had done to it. It's had the rear seat cal fitted, Black Widow full complete exhaust, and it's also had some aftermarket clip-on bars to these ones. As I said, it has got 114,000 kilometres on there. It is a nice bike, so I'll just get a little clip of the Black Widow for you. It is ear deafening, but it is nice. Proud pipes, save lives. Thanks again. See you on the next one with a flyby.